Welcome to Waterfit and this Multifit installation video. Today I'm going to show you how to fit a Multifit like this onto a PE pipe like this. Now there's three sizes of Multifit. The first size is dedicated to 63mm. The mid size, which is here, is 90, 110 and 125mm pipe. And the largest size we do is dedicated to 160 and 180mm pipe. So first you've got to get the right Multifit for the right size pipe. The tools you need are a torque wrench with a 13mm hex head, a key to drive the cutter, either a 10mm if it's a 1-inch ferrule or an 8mm if it's a 3/4-inch ferrule. And if you want to remove and reassemble the banjo after putting the ferrule strap on, you'll need a pair of grips just to tighten that up. Okay, let's take a close look at our Multifit. At the top here we've got the ferrule and banjo with the dirt cap. There's two stainless steel straps with a connecting bolt which is used to tighten it onto the pipe. On one of the straps there's a set of hooks, each labelled with the corresponding pipe diameter, so 90, 110, 125. And on the other strap, on this bottom edge here, there's some little tabs which locate into the hooks like that. So let's install the Multifit onto the pipe. First, make sure your pipe's clean. Second, just unscrew this bolt at the back here until it's as far apart as possible. It won't fully disengage because it's designed not to, so you can't lose anything into the trench. Next, just unhook it. Place the top strap over the pipe, and what I'll do here so you can see, just rotate it slightly. Insert the tabs into the corresponding hook. In this case it's a 125mm pipe, so we're going to use 125mm hooks. So what I'm going to do here is just show you from behind. I've just turned it around so you can see what's going on at the back here. Ensuring that the hooks are still engaged, just tighten the bolt as much as you can by hand. You can see the two halves coming together here. Okay. And then after that, you can take your torque wrench. Make sure your torque wrench is set to 14 Newton meters, and there's a reminder stamped in here on the top strap, 14 Newton meters. This is how tight we want to tighten this bolt. So let's go. Okay, you can see there we've reached 14 Newton meters. Now you can remove your torque wrench. That is plenty tight enough to create a seal. Next we can insert our service pipe. The easiest way to do that is just pop out this card liner at the front here. This stops dirt going in, but also retains the pipe liner inside. Take that out, pop it in the end there, as you would do with any other installation. And this looks like a compression fitting, but it isn't. It's just a push fit. So simply take your pipe and then just push it into position, fully home. That now is fixed. Next, we want to cut through into the pipe to create the connection. Again, using our little screwdriver, we can just pop the dirt cap off, and using our 8mm square head in this case, we can then start to cut down into the pipe. Okay, there we go. Now we can go back and wind it right back up to the top, back it off to create a seal. Pop the dirt cap back in, and away you go.